Once you've obtained your medication from a reputable source, you'll want to know how and when should I take my Viagra to get the best effects. Viagra, and in its generic form Sildenafil, take around 30 to 60 minutes to take effect. The medication can be taken up to 4 hours before sex and can still be just as effective. It's advisable to take it on an empty stomach with a glass of water. Having a heavy meal beforehand can result in Viagra or Sildenafil taking longer to work. It's okay to drink alcohol alongside this medication, but be aware alcohol can make achieving an erection more difficult. Importantly, Viagra just doesn't give you an erection. You need to get into the mood for an erection to develop. How long do the effects last? With this medication you can achieve an erection between 1 and 4 hours after ingestion. Erections should spontaneously go away after sex. Are there any side effects? The important ones we want to know about are actually rare, but they can have concerning effects. If they do occur, you must seek immediate medical assessment. Priapism. If your erection is lasting more than 4 hours and won't go away, you have priapism. Sometimes priapism can be painful. Importantly, if left untreated, it can cause long-lasting damage to your penis. Chest pain. This may occur during sex or even at rest. A sudden decrease or loss of vision in one or both eyes. This can indicate a serious eye problem called non-arteritic anterior ischemic optic neuropathy. A sudden change in your hearing or hearing loss. You may even experience ringing in the ears called tinnitus or episodes of dizziness. Seizures, any allergic reactions, or severe skin reactions. This may manifest as a rash or swelling with the skin, blistering of mucous membranes such as your mouth, eyes and genitals. Some patients may also experience a fever. Now we've talked about the more worrying and rare side effects, what about the more common ones? These are headaches, cough, nasal congestion, nausea, indigestion, tummy pain and diarrhea, hot flushes or night sweats, increased anxiety, tremor and episodes of dizziness. If you develop these more common side effects, consider discussing them with your doctor or pharmacist.